Do's and don'ts for house flipping. Flipping homes as a real estate investment or for the purpose of creating a comfortable lifestyle or a comfortable retirement may appeal to many individuals, but few people give the process or any formulae that may be relevant to success while doing so too much attention. When it comes to flipping homes, you'll hear a lot about what not to do, but very few people talk about the things you must do if you want to be successful at it and start down the path to real estate investing fortunes. 1. Before you begin, write everything down and plan everything out meticulously on a piece of paper. If you want to earn money, you need to handle this like a business. This implies that you must establish a plan of action and work tirelessly to carry it out. 2. Create an overall project budget. The amount of money you're willing to spend on the property itself, the amount you'll need to spend on repairs, and the amount of money you'll need to earn to justify the time and effort you've put in are all factors to consider. To be successful, a home flip requires a significant amount of time and effort. You want to know how much the houses in your community are worth, how much your property is worth, and how much it will be worth if you make renovations. A reasonable budget for the complete job can only be created if you have good knowledge of the repair expenses involved. 3. Have a professional examine the property. When everything is said and done, this is the most crucial element that may save you a lot of time, money, and pain. It's important to be ready to leave if the examination reveals that the property needs more than just cosmetic maintenance. A higher price tag is usually the result of modifications that may be clearly seen by the general public. If you don't want to make modifications and improvements that aren't obvious but are really important, you need to think carefully about how to implement them. Consider carefully the property's earning potential before making a significant investment of time and money. To avoid a real estate investment money hole, you must walk away if it isn't large enough. 4. Don't only flip a house based on what you want, but rather on the requirements of the community as a whole. Many first-time flyers overlook this important detail. Please remember that you are working on behalf of a company and need to conduct yourself accordingly. Keep prices down and emotions out. 5. In order to avoid wasting money, remember that you're in the market to earn money, not lose money. However hard you've worked, you cannot determine the value of a property by the amount of time and effort you've invested in it. Determine how much money you can expect to make from your efforts and how much you are willing to compromise on the price to get some money in your pocket. You should also consider the fact that many first-time home flippers lose money on their first deal. If you make even a tiny profit from your first flip, you've learned a lot that you can use on subsequent flips and increase your earnings. It's crucial to remember that the lessons you take away from your first flip are ones that no amount of money can ever replace. As a result, accepting a smaller profit or even losing a little money is worth it if your experience later on helps you make even more money in real estate investing.